And we're back to JavaScript. Let us talk a little bit about using numbers, strings, and the uniqueness that I've talked about. So values can only occur once in a specific set. Here's our example from last time with 4 entries, 4 values in our letters set. And I can also use letters.add and then simply add a number. So I make that 15. And now you can see we have a size of 5, so this entry is totally valid. We don't have to use quotation marks here, as this is a type of number. Let me add 23. Now we have 6 entries. Now I make this letters, quotation marks, and 25. And so I've got a typo here. Let me correct this. It's obviously the letter's name. So we now have 7 entries. So 25 was added, but it wasn't added as a number type. It was added as a string type, as we've used quotation marks. 23 was added as a number type. So we have A, B, C, Z, and 25 as strings, and 15 and 23 as numbers. If I now add 25 again, once more with quotation marks, we still have 7 entries. And that's because every entry has to be unique to be added, so every value can only occur once in a set. This is why our 8th value here won't be added, and we still have 7. But if I use letters.add 25, but this time without quotation marks, we now have 8 entries. So 25 was added 2 times, but once as a string with quotation marks and once as a number type. So depending on what type it is, a value can be unique. Same works obviously for letters, so let me add the A a couple of times. Two, 3, 4 copies. We still have 8 entries and not 12, so this simply gets ignored as we already have the letter A, the value of A, added to our set. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.